Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Forest officials get first breakthrough in tiger killing case. Bones, foreign tooth of tiger recorded. Exclusive visuals with Prudent reveal the spot where tiger was killed. Vishwajit Babush both demand PWD portfolio, moves on to divide PWD into Water Supply Department and Road and Construction Department. Desh Prabhu takes a dig at congressmen, says some moles of BJP have infiltrated the party. Mickey takes another U-turn on Football Academy land, says Housing Board will come up with some utility project for Kunkolkars. And Faria strikers lift Casino Royal Gold Cup, says IFA end up second best. Now the news in detail. Forest Department officials have found some bones, foreign tooth of tiger 2.5 kilometers away from Keri village. Forest officials were investigating into tiger killing case where they traced these remains of the tiger. They have also found out the exact place where the tiger was killed and burnt. Have a look at these exclusive visuals with Prudent Media.
The Forest Department chief along with Punch members reached at Wadar to solve the tiger killing mystery. Wadar is the place on hilltop just 2.5 kilometers away from Keri village. They found the spot where tiger was killed. This is the exact place where tiger was killed. At this place, some fur of the tiger was found. Later, just 75 to 100 meters away from the killing spot, they found signs of burnt tiger. Here the tiger was burnt. And look at this. These are the crushed bones of tiger and the burnt tooth. The evidence found at the site was then sealed by forest officials in presence of Punch members. Subdivisional Forest Officer Subhash Hendrik said they have almost got all the evidence in the case.
Investigation in this tiger kill, we have found made a lot of inroad into the solving the case, and this is a very crucial time of giving out any details of what all we have traced. But the case is almost solved.
However, Deputy Conservator of Forest Trinath Kumar, who was also present at site, appealed media person to coordinate with Forest Department if they get any clue in the case.
Because now we cannot comment right now. Okay, we will tell all the details once it has come to some stage. Okay. Hope you media people should also cooperate with us and you should give information to us whatever you get.
Our reporter from Keri, Uday Parab.
Government is likely to divide PWD portfolio into two different departments to make way for Vishwajit Rane and Babush Monserrat to join Congress. Sources in Congress have confirmed that Vishwajit is pursuing hard to grab PWD portfolio, while Babush also is very keen in PWD portfolio. As per the sources, government is thinking of dividing PWD department into Water Supply Department and Road and Construction Department to satisfy both Babush and Vishwajit.
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and Education Minister Babush Monserrat have already shown their willingness to join Congress. Babush even went to Delhi to meet Congress President Sonia Gandhi in this regard. But sources in Congress have confirmed that Vishwajit Rane is not willing to settle on any portfolio other than PWD. This demand of Vishwajit Rane have forced Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to think upon dividing PWD. As per the sources, PWD department will be divided into two different departments. One department will be called as Water Supply Department and another department will be called as Roads Department. However, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath denied any such move to divide PWD portfolio. Kamath also asked the media to assess the nature of charge sheet filed against Health Minister Vishwajit Rane and Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco. He was replying question asked by reporters whether he would take against them as both ministers have been charge sheeted.
Framing of charge sheet, what sort of charge sheet? There are various, this you have to see, no, basically. आता खाली charge sheet file करा minor की नहीं complaint झाली, inquiry झाली, they file charge sheet also, no, sometimes.
It means nothing. Are you saying it means nothing?
Depends upon the nature of the charge sheet.
In both cases.
In all the cases.
In these two specific cases.
Yeah, in these cases you see the nature of the charges.
This frivolous.
No, you see and you decide yourself. I will not make any comment on that. And the matter is sub judice.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Yashwant Parav for Prudent Media.
Anti-party activities have once again come to light in Goan politics. This time, Jitendra Deshprabhu has demanded removal of BJP sympathizers in the Congress party. In a surprising statement, Deshprabhu termed these sympathizers as nothing but moles of BJP holding high posts in Congress. Deshprabhu told media persons that if no action is taken against these partymen, then it would turn detrimental to NCP-Congress alliance in the state.
NCP leader Jitendra Deshprabhu blamed some of the senior Congress office bearers of being moles of BJP. Deshprabhu said that these BJP sympathizers are acting communal and dividing Goan society. Deshprabhu has demanded strict action against this alleged congressman. Deshprabhu has said that some BJP sympathizers are also present in NCP and both party high commands should take action against them.
And if we harbor, either of the party harbors such people who are moles of the Bharatiya Janata Party, then it's a matter of great concern. The party must weed out these persons from holding high offices, particularly those who have strong leanings towards the communal party.
Deshprabhu also disclosed that some congressmen worked against the party for Lok Sabha election in North Goa constituency.
There have been instances in this particular election where high officials of the Congress party have moved incognito into dark filmed cars, delivering certain papers for communal consolidation. I strongly believe that this is known to the Congress party as well as the government, and if no action is taken, then it would be detrimental to the coalition that exists in the state of Goa.
Jitendra said that he will disclose the names of these alleged BJP sympathizers at the right time. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's time for a short break. After the break, watch our special series on mission admission and more. Stay with us.